this is Litre Total Parts Plus. Today we have 2015 Toyota Camry, stock number 6166. This ran from the 12th 2011 to the 10th 2017. It has a 2AR FE 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a 2AR FE 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 16-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door 1 dent. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear boot lid no dents. Right rear tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Right rear door no dents. Right front guard no dents. Right front headlight. Right front 16-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Right front door mirror. Right front door no dents. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light with sunglass holder. Left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,